Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we are going to be having a review. So let's find out what is inside the bag. It's kind of a fat bag, so we will see. Alright, hang on, let me get it out of its bag. Alright, I am back. Yeah, they're two fat kits, let's say that. I don't think they're necessarily huge or anything, they just seem fat. So this bag comes from FGOBY, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right in here and also in the description box below. So let's get started with the first kit. Now the first kit is a 40 by 40. It was $7 and it's an 11 count. So let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back. Is that not cute? It's kind of a little winter scene with two little birds. They got snow on their birdhouse. There's some berries right around there and up and around. I just thought this was kind of cute. And it's a 40 by 40, it says. And this is the product number. And you've got your colors. You have 34 colors in this. We have 310 black. We have 321 red. 666 red. 900 red. No 823 or 939. No 3371, and we have 3865 and 3866 for the whites, and you have some lighter color blues, but very big, easy to see symbols. But this is very small. I don't know why they do this. It just frustrates the heck out of me. Now I had to turn this around, so I wanted to make sure. I mean, it's clear, but you definitely have to blow this up. I don't know why they do this. It's insane. So we will take a look. It does come with a full page instruction of how to start, how to finish. So if you've never done this before, and even how to do full cross stitch, half, quarter, and 3/4 cross stitch, a continuous cross stitch, back stitch, cast off, and French knots. This is pretty standard for most kits. Let's take a look at the colors. The colors are on a thread card. You do have 2 needles here, so you do not get a tool kit. So let's see what's going on here. So all the threads are on one thread card. So here's your 321, your 666, and so on and so on. But nice blues, reds, peaches. This is your 38. The whiter one is 3865 and 3866. I'm assuming that's for the background of, you know, part of it is. So there's quite a bit of both of those, and there's some light blue and some pale light blue and some pale blue, but beautiful colors. I just thought this was gorgeous, and it's not too big. It's fairly small-ish. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas does have the product number and the how big it is. It doesn't say. I'm going to move those needles. And it's those whacked out needles again. Don't like those at all. They're way too long. They're not beading needles because they're too thick. But yeah, they're quite odd. So we're just going to put them someplace else. Now the canvas is not serged all the way around. So if you got the desire and you have a sewing machine, you could put some kind of an edge on it, or you could do a blanket stitch all the way around if you felt the need to. And if I could just talk today, I'm having issues. You know how this goes. Now, it's that stiffer, it's stiff, but it's not real heavy. Some of that canvas is real heavy. This is going to have some confetti right through here and up and over where all the detail of those flowers, well, not flowers, the berries and things are. I guess they're flowers. Are they flowers? Oh, heck, I can't even remember. Oh, yeah, I guess there are flowers there. I was thinking there weren't flowers. But it's got flowers, so they're kind of like poinsettias. But you got like holly pieces and stuff, because you can see the pointed leaves. So, yeah, I think it'll be cute. And with 34 colors, it should have some definition. It's just going to take you a hot moment to get to it. But it does have bigger areas. But it's nicely printed. I don't see any smudges or smears. Everything is on point, meaning that it's all on the right square, which is good. Very nice. Let's measure this. Like I said, like I said, it's not very big. It's 16 inches or a little over 40.5 centimeters by 39 centimeters here and almost 15.5 inches. The actual picture is 33 centimeters or 13 inches that way. Yeah, I could just get it to lay down. It's 13, almost 13.5 or 34 centimeters. So, not very big. And it's enough to keep you interested in moving. You know, I mean, from one to the other. You don't get tired of one area. Like the whole background is all white or whatever, you know, putting that all in. So, very nice. I will hold that up so you can see how well printed that is. Very nice since it's an 11 count. Now, what I was going to look at, let's go over here. So the paper pattern will match the canvas, because there's, I don't know that you can see that. I'm going to try. Everything matches going down the line. So paper pattern has the same symbols. So very nice. Very nice indeed. So let's get on to the bigger one. This one is called Courtyard. It is 50 by 65. It was $11.13. Let me get it out of its bag. Okay, I am back. Is that not beautiful? Look at that big red tree up there. You got all that green going on. You have kind of a Chinese, it's like the courtyard going from the house, or from the house into the courtyard, or vice versa. But it's just beautiful. Just gorgeous. I loved all the greens and the reds being complementary colors. So let's see how this all fans out. You have the product number up here. Down in this corner it says 50 by 65. It is 191 by 265. And the paper pattern, sorry, before I get to that, does have instructions on the same paper. The same one I just showed you a few minutes ago. But it's very nicely printed. It's going to have some confetti. It has 40 colors. See if it's good up here. Everything looks good up here, but yeah, it's going to have its hot moments, especially in that tree where the definition is. So let's look at what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 498, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple. Okay. We have 823 and 939. see on this side. No 3371, which is a dark brown. We have 3865 and 66 again. So very nice. Very big, huge, easier to see pattern. This is the way you make patterns, other company. Yeah, make them so you can actually see what is going on. Very nice. Very well done. Yeah. Just beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to leave that right up there because we're going to use it here in a second. Does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And we have the little, looks like a dolphin to me. If I can just get everything out of the way. Yep, he's so cute. We're just going to set him aside. And we're going to take a look at the threads. Now the threads came in its own bag. We have product number here, which is 6381. 6381 on the canvas. And 6381 on the paper pattern. Paper pattern and canvas will match. And so will the threads. So let's take a look at this bundle of threads. Oh my goodness. Just look at all that. Look at all that 310 black. Oh my goodness. There's your brick reds. You have some peaches. Oh, look at the greens. Several shades of green that go from olive to lighter to like even a neon green there. There's your mulberry right there. Mixed in with a little 310 black. But that's okay. They're sharing today. Lots and lots of reds and pinks. Some bright, bright colors. You even have dark, dark green there. Very nice. But that is a wad of threads. And they're all held together by this rubber band that keeps moving every time I move it in my hands. But very nice. Very, very, very nice. Beautiful colors. Yeah, but they're on them thread cards. Yeah, I know. We'll just deal. We'll probably have to start this one. You know how that goes. So I will sort out the threads, you know, when I start it. And get them on a thread ring. And then I'll let you know if there's anything missing at that point. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Oh my goodness. Trying to get it to lay down. But we'll start at the top. Another one that's kind of lightly printed, so it's not bold and in your face. Sometimes that's better for me, especially if I'm doing different colors, because I don't have to stare at bright things right at me. It'll tend to give me a headache, you know, in a heartbeat. So the muted down colors on the canvas work sometimes a lot better. Now the serging does not go into the numbers. I'll show it to you on this side. Just barely grazes, but you have the paper pattern, so you'll know that that one right there, it's just on the edge, but they've used a very thin thread, so you can pretty much see what color that is. And if you can't, look on your paper pattern for the last two on there, and we know it's 3865 and 3866. So there's absolutely no problem seeing them or finding a way to see those if you have to. So, and some people put numbers on their thread cards. You know, like this is number 1 thread. I'm afraid I'm going to screw something up, so I just put them in numerical order and go for broke. That's just the way I do it. But see, that's my brain. So other people have better brains than I do. I just, yeah. But very nice. Sorry, very nicely printed. I'm going to hold that up just so you can see it. But yeah, there's going to be some confetti here, there, and everywhere. Very well done. But let's open it all the way up here. Gotta get it going. I'm gonna have to sit it sideways. It's just no ifs, ands, or buts. But you've got that great big opening for you to walk through, and then that yellow. What is that? Yellow is 310 black. So where you see that pale yellow, you're going to have lots of 310 black. Very, very nice. Oh, can hardly wait to start this. Yeah. Yep. Today, at 1. Be prepared. All right. So it is 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters by the actual canvas, that is. It's a little wide, but we're good. 50.5 centimeters or a little over 19 3/4 inches. The actual picture size is fairly big. If I can just get it where it, come on, Betsy. Get right there. All right, 17.5 inches or a little, it's really close to 44.5 centimeters that way. And stay this way, it is 22.5 or a little over 57 centimeters. So it's fairly wide. So I don't know where I'd start. I really don't. I got nothing. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about it before this afternoon, you know. But I will get it all kitted together. But very nicely done. I just love this picture. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Now, that's all I got from FGOBY. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me these beautiful kits. Want to start them both. I know. The other one is kind of, it's kind of got a Christmas vibe, you know, with the holly and the berries, but yet it's not, doesn't scream totally Christmas. It screams more winter. So, may have to start that one too, but today we're starting the Courtyard. All right. Now, FGOBY, like I said in the beginning, if they have any specials or I have any discount codes, I'll put them in the beginning of the picture of the video and in the description below. Now, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those. They also do embroidery in regular embroidery and beaded embroidery. They call it beaded embroidery. It's beaded cross stitch-ish. And let's see, they do have a separate Joy Sunday section, and I'm sure that they have started to separate out Spring, Joy Sunday, DIY, I can't even think of, and then those two, the two new Chinese companies, I'll call them. You know what I'm talking about. I can't even begin to pronounce those. But, yeah, never can tell. But they always have a nice selection, good products. If you ever have a problem, just email them. There on the website at the bottom, there'll be a place that says contact us if you have any issues, and they will get on it as, you know, gonna have to give them space and time within 24 hours usually, because they're in China and you're someplace else. So depending on where you are in the world, yeah, give it a hot moment, but they will get back to you. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.